Hello, people. So, I got this Ford 8N on my property. We got this property. This was a condition this is in. It's a Ford 8N 50 to 52 model, something like that. It's messed up. It's messed up. It cranks, but no start. We can give it a shot, but I do have to clean some things out first. I could clean this out. This one just had dead bees and shit, but I mean, the oil is flowing through. Uh, this pipe essentially goes here and it says it's open. There's fresh fuel. The filter's messed up. I know. I could check this. But it has some AutoZone spark plugs. So it's not like it hasn't been. It has been setting since 1960s. These spark plugs look fairly new, and I do not want to touch them unless absolutely necessary. To be honest. Starter looks fine. I know it's rusted. It's busted. But let me give you guys an example. So, the main issue that we're seeing here is that, oh boy. So, these are the two brakes, right? Not in the best condition, to be honest. Clunking and shit. We got the PTO shaft. I think it needs to be here. We depress the clutch. It start. This is for the lights. The lights work. I'm not gonna keep them on for too long. The choke keeps going back. Yeah, it does not want to stay engaged. There's nothing wrong with the wire. I think there might be something wrong with the spring. Now, if I go to start this, I do not think it should sound like this. So yeah, it does not want to start. So one thing I was noticing, this belt seems fine. That seems fine. Our issue could be spark, fuel, anything. This is my biggest concern, to be honest. Is there any? I think it's full, if I'm not wrong. But is there a way to disconnect this piece of shit? Sorry. Yeah, there is. Okay. Let's see if we got something coming out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there is fuel. There is fuel in here. Okay. Fuel's coming here from the tank. Now that would go from here to there. And my hands are all full of fuel now. So, this line is what's bringing here. So I assume this is where the issue starts. If there's no fuel going in here. Nah, but I mean, if there's no fuel going in here, there shouldn't be anything here. But there is fuel here. So I think fuel is not an issue. It's spark for the most part. Okay, so that's not the issue. That's not the issue. The next logical thing would be spark plug or carburetors. I think this would be the carb, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's the carburetor. Okay. Oh well. My hands are full of oil. I don't know what. I did not bring any wipes, but I don't know much about cars. Watch this shit. Fudge this shit. Yeah, this should be a spring latch, no? Oh boy, that is jammed. Okay, that hurts. Bro, I don't want to mess my phone up. Honestly, does not seem like there's any issue other than their auto lights. I know a thing or two about cars, but this is a tractor, and this is a 1950s tractor. I have never worked on one of these. I don't usually work on cars. Okay, well, I will fix that in another video. That's not an issue. I just need to. I got the tools and everything. I just don't have a tripod. That's the main issue here. And this brake is also messed up. And that goes to that tire. So that probably a loose nut or that's broken. Need to replace that. Let me show you guys. Oh shit. Man, these mosquitoes. This probably is broken. Needs to be fixed. The one that's actually going into the, I think this is a transmission if I'm not wrong. The whole block, like transmission and the other stuff. This one's actually fine. So in the video, the next video, we're gonna tackle the carb. We're gonna tackle the spark. I don't know how to test the spark plugs on this one. I know like if it was the other like normal cars, you take them out, you touch them, you could possibly like, you know, test spark in another way. This one, I'm not sure, and there's not much clearance to be honest here. Sigh. And as you guys can see, this is a Motormaster battery. Recently charged up with my Noco Genius. It's working, it's in good condition. The only thing, the worst thing that I was basically not looking forward to is that. And it's dirty, gotta clean it up as well. So, needs to be sprayed down. Could be an air issue, but I do not think from my understanding of things that it is an air issue. There's nothing that so far that I can see is blocking anything. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. The filter's messed up, I checked it. I still need to open this. The alternator is working fine. That if that's an alternator, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But it's a 6-volt system, not a 12-volt system, so it hasn't been upgraded. That's cranking, so I'm not gonna touch that. The fuel system's fine. Everything's fine. It's just a spark, I think. Also, I need to see what the PTO does, like, you know, what the normal positioning of that shit is. It could be just the PTO is not positioned correctly, so that it's not doing the thing. Also, I need to change the engine oil. I don't know what kind of engine oil does it take. So yeah, this will be a big ass project. Oh boy, man. Alright, see you in the next one.